was, there's all that's left of a tree that came down across my wire antennas, and my scoop is dead. It destroyed my scoop, and my good aluminum shovel destroyed that too. And the only thing keeping the tree from falling on top of the rev was the wire antennas. Right there, two of them. The tree was on them, and they were bar tight. That's what was kept the tree from falling down any further. So it was right there, and that's what's left of it. Crazy, 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 crazy wind.